Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Eben. Today we're talking about something that's really exciting but often feels a little overwhelming, and that's how to create your own art collection. So this one is for my aspiring and emerging artists out there. I'll walk you through the entire process from inspiration to presentation. So first things first, let's talk about what an art collection actually is. So, simply put, it's a curated body of work that tells a cohesive story or centers around a specific theme, medium, or style. It's not just random pieces thrown together, it's intentional, purposeful, and reflects your unique voice as an artist. The first step in creating an art collection is finding your theme or concept. So, this is the foundation of your collection, so take your time with it. Think about what you're passionate about. Is there a particular emotion, memory, or idea that you want to explore? Maybe you're inspired by nature, your faith, or even a personal journey. So, for example, one of my recent collections was inspired by the warmth and coziness of home. There was an interplay of neutral tones, and I wanted each piece to evoke a sense of calm and warmth. So your theme can be broad or specific, but it should resonate deeply with you. Once you've nailed down your concept, it's time to plan. So I like to start with a good brainstorming session. So grab a notebook or your iPad and start sketching out different ideas. So think about how many pieces you want in your collection. So 5, 10, maybe more. And then consider the sizes, the colors, and the mediums that you're going to use. So planning helps you stay organized and ensures that your pieces feel connected. Next comes experimenting. So don't be afraid to play around with different techniques and materials and just get creative. So try working on a few smaller test pieces first to see how your ideas come together. Because sometimes what works in your head doesn't quite translate in real life, and that's totally okay. This stage is all about refining your vision and finding your rhythm. All right, now it's time to dive into the actual creation of your collection. So set aside dedicated time to work on each piece and try to maintain consistency in your process. So for me, that means putting on my favorite playlist and just getting into the zone. Pay attention to the details and just enjoy the creation process. So once your pieces are complete, give each one a title that adds to its meaning or ties it back to your theme. So titles can be poetic, descriptive, or even abstract. It's completely up to you. Also, take time to write an artist statement for the collection. So this is a short explanation of the inspiration, the process, and the purpose behind your work. And it helps your audience connect with your pieces and have a better understanding of the inspiration behind them. The final step is all about presentation. So if you're selling online, make sure to photograph your pieces in a natural and soft light and edit them to look true to life. And finally, share your collection. Post sneak peeks on social media, send out a newsletter, or even host a launch event. The key is to build excitement and invite your audience into this excitement as well. And that's it. This is a simple step-by-step guide to creating an art collection. Remember, it's a process, so just be patient with yourself and enjoy the journey. I'd love to hear what themes or concepts that you're working on, so drop a comment below and let's chat. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more art tips and inspiration, and I'll see you in the next one.